How to start SAP server. So right now, virtual machine is already running. Here is what we are going to do. We will open up this txt file called how to start SAP server. Okay, so I double click on that, and here are all the instructions that we need in order to start the SAP server. So how to start SAP server? We firstly go to terminal. Okay, so the way how we go to terminal in OpenSUSE Linux is that we go on into activities, and very first program that you find here is terminal. Okay, so I just click on the terminal and move it on the right side so that I can see the step guide and also the terminal. Okay, so I need to go to terminal and type the following. So I'm going to do the highlighting of the text, do the right click on the text, copy, go to a terminal window, do the right click to the terminal window anywhere. Okay, so it can be here, it can be there, right click, paste, and hit enter. Okay, so we have processed the first command in the terminal. The next thing that we need to do, we need to type a password. Okay, so just copy and paste, Control C, to the right click, copy, to the right click, paste, enter. Okay, so we provided a password already. And now we need to start the SAP server. The way how we do that is that again, we copy the command, do the right click, copy, go to terminal, right click, paste, enter. And that's how you are starting the SAP server each and every time. Each and every time you are going to get back to your virtual machine and you will need to start up the SAP server. It's going to take few moments, from half a minute to 1 or 2 minutes, depending on what's your hardware of your PC. So let's wait 3 moments until the SAP server is started.